guys, welcome back to our channel CA Core, where we make the law easier. I hope you all are doing really well. So, as we saw in our previous video, we covered the concept of implied offer, which is a type of offer that is not directly expressed but is inferred from circumstances or actions of the parties. And today, we are going to build on that concept and explore other important type of offer, which is general offer. So let's dive in and make the law easier. So what is a general offer? A general offer is made to the public at large, and hence anyone can accept it and do the desired act. Anyone performing the conditions of the offer can be considered to have accepted the offer. Until the general offer is retracted or withdrawn, it can be accepted by anyone at any time. So, in simple terms, a general offer is an offer that is made to everyone and anyone can accept it by performing the required actions.
दबे पाँव से आए हौले हौले जिंदगी, होठों पे कुंडी चढ़ा के हम ताले लगा के चल गुमसुम तराने, चुप के गाए आधी आधी बात आजा दिल की ये समी, थोड़ा सा तेरा सा होगा थोड़ा मेरा भी होगा, अपना ये आशियाँ, इतनी सी हंसी इतनी सी खुशी, इतना सा टुकड़ा चांद का, ख्वाबों के तिनकों से चल बनाए आशियाँ.
So let's break it down. First, made to the public at large. The person is standing on the road, which is a public place, and he is inviting anyone who passes by to accept a hug. This means that the offer is made to the public at large, as anyone can see them and approach them. The second one, anyone can accept it. He is not specifying any particular person or group of people who can accept a hug. He is inviting anyone who wants a hug to come and get one. This means that anyone can accept the offer regardless of their age, gender, or any other characteristics. Third one, by performing the desired act. The desired act in this case is accepting a hug. The person accepting the hug is performing the desired act. Fourth one, anyone performing the conditions of the offer can be considered to have accepted the offer. The condition of the offer is that the person must approach them and accept a hug. If someone does this, they can be considered to have accepted the offer. So here are some key points to remember. A general offer is made to the public at large. Anyone can accept it. The offer is continuing until it's retracted or withdrawn. Anyone performing the conditions can accept. Understand the definition and remember the key points. Thanks for watching CA Core. Subscribe for more, and if you have any queries, please comment below.